Me girl ready, but she coming back a karma. Wanna brothers, cause we shoot them like a film. You know, no manners, not a fucking marrow. Ass power Benz, watch it fucking gal.
Buckler, dog. Kartel. You're too bad. You're too bad, dog. Boom. Drip or not? Anyways, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I will back in the pick with another video for you guys. Right now, we have I'm gonna try everything for this, dog. That different. Right now we have Vybz Kartel, Squash, and Chronicler. Money we love. Me love pum pum still. Me don't know what you're talking about. But you can see what I'm going for this. So you like up the video, you don't know your chopper, triple like button. And before this video begins, people, please follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. I'm trying to hit 6,000 subscribers, 6,000 followers on Instagram. I'm at 5,100 right now at the time of this recording. So go over there, run it up. You understand me? I say, go on, go follow me on Instagram. You don't know your chap go. Go see what I go on now. Right, you. I'm not hearing nothing. They want to talk? Shop done. Pick up yourself.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Me tell me better than stay alive. Thank God, me some more life.
Mr. Thing say, what's up, bro, God? Hey, then? What's up? Soon forward, I make a video, did me? Okay. Yeah, bro, God. But people, Mr. Thing say my phone now work a while ago. Go on.
Boy get 3 out of the 4 or 5. Guns off you out from we outside.
Boy get 3 out of the 4 or 5. The guns off you out from you outside. Look how Chronicler said, people. Boy get 3 out of the 4 or 5. Guns off you from you outside. I see him for me and Chronicler world right now. Go on, la boss.
I top in place when I cold time.
Yeah.
When them a freezing up for your low shop done. If I'm not 6, then I hoe.
If I see that Uber dog say, yo, I top the place when I cold time. Hold on, did that girl look pregnant? The girl up on the left side of Squash. On the right side of Squash, on the left side on the TV. She looks so preggy. She preggy. But go on!
So you know we bad for show. Tell some little boy for move. Tell them say your money we love. Tell them say your money we love. Yeah.
You know, you talk about the pump still in a dog. Me see girl in the video, so I know something like woman too. But if you say you love the pump too, you have to make them know so I like the pump too. Tell them see your money we love. So I go on do me like it. Go on.
If I'm not 6, then I hoe. Guys, you know we bad for show. Tell some little boy for move. Tell them say your money we love. Tell them
Chronicler bad man on the video. Chronicler son of my drink son. A direct traffic. What on there? It's a different level of video they pan. Not even meds the video really yet to the dog. You see me? It's a different level of meds the meds they pan. Go on.
say your money we love.
For want the cash money, not scratchy baby. Got me girl them in the mansion. They say I don't want Camille. She spend my money harder. Me girl ready.
Me want that. No, hold on the cartel. No, hold on the cartel. Hold on the cartel. Hold on the cartel. We want ears. We want ears. We want ears. Cartel, come in.
Money we love. Tell them say your money we love.
For want the cash money, not scratchy baby. Got me girl them in the mansion. They say I don't want Camille. She
some want cash money, not scratch. John, me not even can get the lyrics to blood. Me not meds. But I'll come in do what? Go on.
Spend my money harder. Me girl ready, but she coming back a karma. Wanna brothers, cause we shoot them like a film. You know, no manners, not a fucking marrow. Ass power Benz, watch it fucking gal.
Buckler, dog. Kartel. You're too bad. You're too bad, dog. You're too bad. Listen to the man upload people. Listen to the man.
She and gallows, we are the real Avengers. We no fear Thanos. Action, Nadine, Popcorn, Sutherland. Yo, St. Thomas, Met, Dallas, St. James, yes.
Oh, Buckler. People. Kartel. His name Adija Palmer, the word boss. You heard the man upload, dog? Buckler. Go on.
proper. Me left a mark in the business like a Bible chapter. Me work, and then me idle after. No study at the end, no me student.
Them girls that look cover. Tyrekevlogs just posted that video. Mad. Go check it out. Griminess. But me like the cartoon thing in it, and I like the girl. The girl so pretend like a cartoon too. At that level that video there right now. Go on.
No study at the mother who them. Please, put more see me dream. I say
Your life I go sweet like Nestle tea.
Nah. You know that's sweet. You know condensed milk sweet. You know Nestle milk them Yo. Right now we're playing Tyrekevlogs come fuck up the jacket now. That's how we need now. That's how we need that we can go to bed peacefully tonight and come and post a video at night, you know, right after TVG News done post in our ear, you know. Go on.
Bring me to Bunty and the rest is history. Nah, I mean, count money green.
If I'm not 6, then I owe. Gaza, you know what?
I know you. But when I call a wrong name, I go say, I don't know, I don't know what you talk about. But Kartel just fuck up the world, people. As usual, doing Kartel stuff. That stuff only Kartel can do. You understand me? I say, if I'm not 6, then I who? Deal with this course, don't squash. Tyrekevlogs. Pause. Go on back. Run. Oh Lord. Talk to her. But right now, Tyrekevlogs go fuck up with track people. Deal with it now, boss.
Man, my client at them try to program me with boy at a Google and Firefox. I try to find me, but me out a port and a sport pan a yacht. 6 bars.
Bumbo clad. Fire emoji in the comment section. Fire emoji in the comment section for the rate law boss right now. Be a fire emoji for the rate law boss right now. Bumbo clad. Deal with it.
I had that some little guy spread my punch along. What boy I got couldn't get here but tire shop. Whole car I say money poverty we tired of. See view rock foot back.
Oh, you fit so much lyrics in a one song. Oh, you fit so much lyrics in a one verse. Oh, you do it. Ask Tyrekevlogs. Bumbo clad people again. Be a fan emoji in the comment section right now. Open the rate Tyrekevlogs. If you don't like that's how you want to be a fan emoji in the comment section right now. Right now you're supposed to have no 1 or 2 comments. You're supposed to have 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 comments right now in the comment section. Be a fan emoji back at that. You understand me I said to you? Be a fan emoji back at that. Like up the video so they can recommend to more people. Set speed. Go on there, song you see what go on man. Squash. It I do right now. Big up yourself in a pit up. Me not spoil your name. Read. Big up yourself. Read. Go on.
Bush and Thomas. Alright. Yo, me want a scheme like Mr. Walker. Millions in the vault. Me not for talk strength. Me not ask for.
The dog say want a scheme like Mr. Walker in the vault. Millions in the vault. Me not task me like a bumbuckler. If me try. I'm the first time I saw this song. That's why me not catch the listen so fast. Me not fast like a Uno. Remember I react. Me not review either. You understand me I say? People mixing me with react with review. Me not do reviews. If you know a review, go check Terry that. You see me I say for a reason go check out my brother Chung Lad. You hear me I say? From high school, know them Monday. You hear me? But yeah, me do the reaction. Me I react to the song. But me I try to catch the lyrics sometime. You hear me? Right now, Tyrekevlogs put some lyrics together so me not even understand. Go on.
Then listen to Redden and rapper crapper. But we run the place and not just time alone a master. Sharp down.
And that's why Tyrekevlogs post the video the same time the video check because he get the video because he made the video. Because I see Tyrekevlogs was supposed to trailer to this on his Instagram the other day too. No? Yeah. I know see Tyrekevlogs night video there. And that's why. And me just so coincident to mention the man name a while ago and him pop up in the video. You see your life funny? But go on. Big up yourself Tyrekevlogs.
We never falter. Marvel, I say money we want cash.
Yeah.
Breaks not there so we
can't
look good
still. Me not like
who lucky.
What should they? Me I find our phone, man. No fret. Me like look for them, you know. Me enjoy looking for those females, them. They gone too far, Tyrekevlogs. Me enjoy searching for them. Ready now.
Money will love.
But last time. Pause! See her there. The one at the glass right there, so that one that look good. The one I got she got it on oh that's her. She got it over here, sir. She look good. Me like her. You did me I say. When you can't even do 6 times. 6. A kiss or that kiss? Go on.
If I'm not 6 then I owe.
Song done.
Them I say we lucky so but to God we pray the Maserati. Yeah, every girl off a brace. Yo, Bobby 6. If I'm not 6 then I owe. Gaza, you know
We don't know about buckler. People big up on themselves, you know. You see about Tyrekevlogs, you know. You did me and say. No, I know I'm watching full video because like, I come and talk about, yo, brother, you know watch the last part of the video. You missed the part, yeah.
Tell them make a boy for move. Tell them say your money will love. Tell them say your money will love.
Nothing. Watch the full video. Alright. Big up on yourself now. Peace out.